And a very pleasant good afternoon to everyone tuned in. Welcome to Let's Talk Money right here on Rhythm at 95.5. Our financial strategist in the house, Naomi Shah. And of course, yours truly, Siva J here with you as well. So, Naomi, what do you have for us today?
Hey, good afternoon. So today, we're still on the topic of let's make money,
Right.
smart ways to boost our income. So today we're looking at making money online, the basics.
I got you.
Yeah. But before we go into that, okay, guys, we know Steve have a history of not doing our assignments, but we helped her last week. So hopefully most of the assignment is done. So, Steve, did you get to pick one side hustle you can start with? In what you already have, in the skills that you already have.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Did you tell at least 5 people what you're offering?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Oh, guys,
I
she's
did.
coming along.
I did it.
And did you get to post your service on WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, whichever one? Or TikTok, whatever?
No, I did not do any posting.
Okay, guys. So, she's short by one. But we can forgive her. Yeah, so today's episode is perfect for those of you who want to start making money online but don't know where to begin. The internet has made it possible to earn from anywhere. And in this episode, I'll be breaking down simple online income streams for beginners. Just simple ones, nothing too complicated. So if you've got a phone, a little time, and a willingness to learn, this is for you today. The first thing we're going to look at is easy ways to make money online. Let's start with 4 beginner-friendly ways to start making money online, even if you don't have a website or fancy equipment. Okay. Just start with what we have. A laptop, a phone, whatever. Content creation.
Yeah.
I'm sure you would agree, Steve, that
Definitely.
we can do that with not much equipment. We can start where we are.
Yeah.
With the phone, with the laptop.
Yeah.
A simple camera.
You need a camera and just an internet connection, and that's it.
Right. Wi-Fi can do it.
Yeah.
Right. So do you enjoy talking, teaching, or sharing ideas? Remember, guys, Steve working on motivating us. So yes. Start creating content. That could be videos, blogs, or even shorts, like, them short posts or reel, something. You can share, like I do, many tips, tutorials, recipes, inspiration, motivational speeches, encouragement, anything. Then grow an audience and monetize it. Whether you grow your audience via YouTube or platform,
right,
IG, whatever it is. You can even get sponsorships, ads, or partnerships to help grow your business. But we want you to start from somewhere. We can even look at affiliate marketing, promoting other people's businesses or the products that person make locally. So you notice somebody has products selling or whatever, you can ask them if they want to do affiliate marketing, where you get paid for sharing what they sell through probably your link, but probably once their customers say, yeah, Steve recommended me to purchase this from you, you get something from it. So we can look at that, promote other people's product and get paid when someone buys through your link, or even word of mouth. But you need to have that connection. Online surveys and micro tests. We're going into the online world, and there are companies which sometimes, for example, when you shop on Amazon, even Flow now, they send you these online surveys and you get not much, but you get something from it.
Right.
So it's for you to look out for those with the bigger ones. So these don't pay a lot, but they're a great way to earn a little extra while you learn the ropes. So there are sites you can try, like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars. You just need to ensure you do your research and avoid scams.
Right.
Digital downloads. Sell things like budget planners, prayer journals, and meal planners. Any template that you created yourself, you can put it up. You can create them, whether you created it from scratch or whether you create it with Canva, and you can sell them through a website like ST or even your own online store. Like for me, I have the shop.naomisnumbers.co. where you get digital products. But then if you don't have your own site, you can go ahead and start with one of these sites that allow you to sell digital products.
Okay.
Where to sell and promote. Once you've chosen your product or service, the next step is putting it out there. Here's where you can start. Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. Post your products or services on your stories and status. Create a simple digital flyer and share it constantly. Like I said earlier, we can look like shops like ST, where you can get where you can it's great for digital products, handmade goods and printables. It's easy to set up and people from around the world can buy from you. Or if you want to go into creating your own website, you go ahead and you can sell digital products, you can sell whatever you plan to do, coaching sessions, physical products, whatever it is. And like we said, yes, you can use Facebook, the marketplace, or a local group. These are perfect if you're selling to your community. People love to buy from someone that they can reach. So you can try, if it's a product you create, you can try selling it right there in your community without even having to go online.
Okay.
No matter the platform, remember, consistency and good visuals go a long way. Make it look presentable and give them great customer service, even if you're online. Do's and don'ts of working online. Working online comes with freedom, but also some risk. Let me share some of the do's and the don'ts to keep you safe and successful, right?
Right.
So let's look at the do's. Start with what you know and grow from there. Don't just start with a strange website or whatever that you don't know nothing about. Research platforms before signing up, because some of them are not legit.
Right.
Build trust by being honest and consistent. Save proof of your transaction and communication. Protect your work. Use watermarks or designs or samples. So if it's a digital product you're doing, you may want to watermark it.
Okay.
So that persons don't take it and resell it. The don'ts. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is too good to be true. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. So let's remember that. Don't send your personal banking information to unverified clients. Don't overpromise. Start small and over-deliver.
Okay.
Don't overpromise, but you're going to start small and deliver more than expected. Don't ignore your audience. Engage and build relationships. Remember, we spoke about customer service last week.
Right.
The online world is full of opportunity, but you need to approach it with wisdom and clarity. And for persons listening, if you feel like, yes, I need to improve on my customer service, the YDEP, Youth Development Empowerment Program, they have a customer service course going on, which will be starting off soon. You can check them out on Instagram and sign up for it's at a reasonable cost and sign up for you to do customer service. They also have financial literacy, which I'll be facilitating this one in case you want to do financial literacy. And we do the whole works from start to finish.
Nice.
So do the little courses that is needed to help you thrive in your own business. So here's your challenge for this week. And guys, we're hoping that next week Steve will come ready for us. Choose one way to make money online, whether that's affiliated links where you're selling products, helping people sell their products, content creation, or creating a simple product for you to sell online. Choose one. 2, tell your audience or close friends what you're offering. And 3, post it at least 3 times a week. At least 3 times for the week. And if you still need help after doing that, with the financial aspect of it, you can reach out to me. Either on my website, shop.naomisnumbers.com, or a WhatsApp message, 1758-384-4576, or on Instagram, NaomiJa758. You don't have to be tech savvy to earn online. Just start with what you know. Take it step by step and build as you go. Thanks for tuning in to Let's Talk Money. We're looking forward to next week's episode where we'll be talking about creating and selling digital products. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, start small, dream big, and take your income online.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. So, Naomi, thank you so much for joining us again. Guys, this has been another episode of Let's Talk Money, or Let's Make Money. Right on Rhythm 95.5. Thanks for joining us.
Are you stuck in the struggle, feeling the squeeze? Wanna save some cash and live with ease? Naomi is here, your money guide, helping you grow and turn the tide. Let's talk